So we're going to start off with opening the box. This is the larger 3-seater set. Next thing we're going to look at on these pieces, we have these little numbers. Now, what these numbers are actually for, they're to match the piece with the next piece. So on this one it says A01, and then we're going to see this piece, and this is also A01. So that means they connect. So that's something most important to look at this version. So these numbers align with the same number on the next piece. We have a set of instructions here, so we take a look at those first before we start any further, just to get an idea of how it all goes together. It just makes things run much smoother and much quicker. So we're going to start with putting these sections together first because they're freestanding. So with these fixings, generally they just screw in quite well. But if you find it's going in and it's a little bit tight, don't round the Allen key off, just stop for a second, just get a little bit of lubricant, spray the fixing, pop that in, and it will go in absolutely fine. This just makes a little bit of difference, not to damage and grind off the bolts. Just get it set together nice and easily, without any issue. Okay, so next we're going to put this piece, obviously we check the number under, the number's the same. Pop this one in loosely. Again we check the numbers, I've already did that. So this one in. You can use a rubber hammer to make things a bit easier. To make sure it's a rubber hammer or something that won't damage the furniture. Let's use a normal hammer. And then we get the fixings. Start fixing. So we put them in hand tight first. If you are using a in impact, put them in hand tight. Don't cross thread the bolts, it's very important. Be very careful.